Babe, please don't kill yourself. Or maybe, oh my God, Marcos, you're gonna kill yourself. I'm like, Marcos, oh my God.
To show you. That's it. Thank you. No problem. And then use your camera.
Yeah, take it in. Huh? Yeah. Here. Okay, stand there. And then turn around.
Oh, wow.
No one ever notices the station.
It's huge. And the architecture's pretty good.
Surprise, surprise. They had 2 beds left out of the whole entire place. And we booked them. Flying Pig Hostel. Amsterdam. I don't want to be too loud because we're in the hallway. Lots of people. But I was like, I don't even care. I called the place. I was like, I'm canceling. They're like, we have to charge you. I was like, I don't give a shit, dude. My favorite hostel has 2 beds for me, and they originally didn't. We're staying, but the reception's super awesome, and we're here in my favorite place in the world. Next to Florence, obviously.
Yeah, you're all excited about going to Florence, and now you're just excited to be here. You hold this for me?
Because I didn't want to go to that hostel. I really didn't want to.
That hostel looked like actually a hospital.
I'm gonna show you like a shit ton of cool stuff from the front room and everything, so it's gonna start now. We're in Amsterdam. We're gonna go get some French fries and some Febo. Febo's this awesome thing where it's like a restaurant but no human connection. So there's like a restaurant or a kitchen behind a window, and people put the fresh food into the window, and then you put coins in and get this fresh food from them.
I was like, if there was like no human connection, but there's like a robot, it's like, have a nice day, you know?
Yeah. So I mean, it's a way that you can stumble in drunk as f and just be like, yeah, there's that. Boom, give me my food, pass out, and call it a day. So anyways, yeah, so we're gonna go get some Febo.
This is open 24 hours.
Party. Yeah, so I'm terribly sick. I don't know if it's a cold or if it's just like hell allergies. She's not doing too good. But again, we made another friend, and we made so many friends. Hello, oh, I'm sorry, I feel terrible. I didn't even ask your name.
Yeah, we didn't even get your name.
No, I didn't ask your name either. Sarah.
Sarah?
Yeah.
Marcos?
Yeah.
And Haley.
Sarah is headed up to Costa Rica to hang out with her friend who's on a gap year. A gap year is when you're done with high school, you take a year off and go and travel. How different our cultures are.
Do you guys not do that?
No.
No, they call that irresponsible.
Yeah, they call that you should have gone to college to finish your major.
Our uni's like it. It shows that you've like developed like teamworking skills. Like you just.
So then we're not going out, but we're hanging out with Sarah for now. And tomorrow's the Anne Frank house. That's gonna be intense. So yeah, and then we're gonna be in Italy tomorrow night. That's exciting.
Yay.
Peace. Cool. Okay, so day 7. it's early, and we kind of fell asleep late last night because we were just hanging out. But we woke up, put our bags in storage, so now we're just waiting for our train or whatever. Actually, we're on our way to the Anne Frank house, and we have 2 tickets reserved at 9:30, so we have like 5 minutes to get there. And yeah, that's the first thing that we're gonna do today. And once we get that out of the way, we're gonna get some breakfast and rent some bikes and go biking around, go check out the I Am Amsterdam sign, take some pictures with that. Once I find the Anne Frank house, then we'll do that. So let's do it.
But in Nazi Germany, the situation got worse and worse during the 1930s. One of the events I want to point out is the Night of the Broken Glass, the Reichskristallnacht. A night during which the Nazis burned down over 1,400 synagogues.
Yeah, just kind of wanted to explain a little bit more because we didn't actually get to film, so we didn't actually do a check-in. The Anne Frank house is a great museum. It's awesome to tour. If you definitely do the class beforehand, because it really puts you in the mindset to sort of, walk through the annex, and they have all these different timelines in the museum and all this history in the museum that you can read and take it all in. But yeah, it was very special, and just experiencing all. They have it very well preserved, so you can really experience it all. And yeah, definitely a good thing to check in. You should definitely check it out if you get in there. Yeah, that's about it. Back to the vlog. Some brunch, and then rent some bikes. Take a little trip around the park. I'm still not feeling too good, so hopefully I'm not too much of a downer. Yep. Actually just in the city for a couple more hours, so little view, then we're gonna ride back, return the bikes, go to the hostel, grab our luggage, and sort of get ready to fly again, and then we're gonna go to the airport and fly to Italy. We'll be in Italy around 11:30 p.m. and check into our hostel super late. And so yeah, that's about the plan. And then tomorrow morning we get to go to Chianti, to our freaking awesome country, to our awesome Tuscan country little villa, and it's on a winery, so it's gonna be really cool. Super excited.